Hey guys, just gonna do a quick little video here to show these shock mount bushings I made here. Didn't want to go ahead and buy the actual bushing kit. It's got all these, they're on the ground here somewhere. Right here. Get these little roller things in them, like a little bearing. Anyways, I decided I was just gonna make a set just to save from buying the set. So anyways, what I did is some 1-inch pipe here we just had laying around, and I just took and cut off the width of one of those roller things like that. Zoom in on here, just the width of that. I cut that, and then once I cut the little ring off, like this, I just fit it to fit into the shock. I did have to take a flathead screwdriver and just pop all those little rollers out or whatever. But then I just spliced this right down one of the sides here, like this side right here, and then just continue to cut off a little bit, piece by piece, until it fit correctly right into the shock. And then from there, you can see on this one here, there's a little metal sleeve that slides in, and I made sure that it was real snug when I went in there, and works just great. Anyways, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.